Okay. Now join your hands, close your eyes, and let's start with prayer. Omkar. तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि यो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. May God bless you all with lot of success, good health and fitness. Have a good day ahead. Now it's 8. Let's start our class, and 9 students are here only. What is your class strength? What is your class strength? How many students are there in your class? Any one of you having idea?
Ma'am,
Yes,
27.
20?
Ma'am, ma'am told 27. 27.
Okay. So today's date is 3rd, right? 3rd May. And do you know your roll numbers, every one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes,
So meanwhile, I will take your presentee. After some time, I will take your presentee by your roll numbers. Okay. So if you are not sure, then be aware about it. Take it or revise it. What's your roll number? Now see what we have done in our previous class. In our previous class, we introduced the chapter. Then we learned about the hard words. Then after we discussed few points regarding traveling safety, preparations for the trip and all these things. Now today what we are going to do is, today we are going to learn the chapter, learn the content, the story of the chapter, and if possible we will discuss the same passage from the worksheets also, because you will have it as a homework for today. Now let's see, suppose this is your notebook, okay? This is not our school notebook, but I have just take it for example. Be aware about it. Here you have to fill all the details. Your roll number, name, okay, division, subject, all the things. Then here write number 1, date, chapter, a walk to remember, okay? Then page number. And here I will sign. Whenever you submit your notebook for correction, I will sign it. So what should be the details? First, date, chapter number 1, a walk to remember. Then after page number. And then keep it blank. This is for me. Right. Then as far as you open the first page of your notebook, here date, day, here date. Okay, and page number. Then chapter number 1, a walk to remember. Here word meaning. Write one word and its meaning, then skip one line. Then after second word, its meaning, and skip one line. This is how you people have to write the word meaning. Okay, I have explained you prior also, but today I thought it will be better for you if I explain it one more time, as you people will have marks for notebook. Last year also you were having it, but last year it was first year, huh?
Ma'am, due to corona, we can't go to Anand stationery and can't take a NGS notebook. So Sima ma'am said that you can take rough notebook and covered page like orange colors, and it is okay if we make English
Yes.
book.
It's
Okay.
good. Not only okay. Okay. See, it doesn't matter that you will have the logo of school or not. But if our work is perfect, then definitely people will recognize you by your school. I know you all are hardworking students. Nowadays, it is not possible for every one of us to go to the Anand because it is closed. right? And we don't know. I think it will get open from 5th of May, but let it be. If you are having good notebook at your home, you can use it by covering it, and don't take anything cover also. Before you can cover. Yes, Nishtha.
Ma'am, I am Yashika. If we have only some books of school, then we can make some subjects of NEGS book and some of others.
Yes, it can be okay, right? So don't worry for the books. I want only proper and neat work. It doesn't matter if you use. See, again I am telling you, if you people are not having new book even, so you can use last year, means if you have used 10 to 15 pages of the book, right? So you can just cut off these pages by using scissors, and then you can start your notebook as a square notebook. It can be also okay. So don't worry for the things, but be perfect about handwriting and neat work. Alright, now let's see what was the discussion. Who will tell me? Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, when we have vacation?
You will get its details soon, Beta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because there is, I think it will change, but if it will remain same for 2 to 3 days, the date will remain same for 2 to 3 days, then I will tell you. Because if I say you now, and then it will change, so you will get confused. So wait for a while, then we will discuss it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay? Now can we start the content? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now everyone be mute. Okay. So everyone listen me carefully now. What we have discussed in our last class, what is the story about? Who will tell me? What we have learned about the chapter? What do you think? What is the chapter about?
Walk to remember.
A walk to remember, right. How many characters are there in the chapter?
3.
3. What are they? What are they?
George,
Ma'am, George, Harris, and Jerome.
Jerome, Harry, and George are the 3 characters. Okay, where they were going?
For
Where
picnic.
they want?
Holiday in Germany.
Yes, they were on the holiday in Germany. Yes, Todmos, Virkela, good answer. They wanted to go to the village Todmos, which was behind the hill, and they decided to trek they decided to reach there by walking, and they started to climb and cross the hill. And the story is about their fun, their little bit cold fights and all these things. Okay. Now let's see. As we people have finished reading of the chapter, now it's the time of actual explanation. Let's have a look on the first page. Here, Jerome, his friends Harris and George are on a holiday in Germany. They have decided to walk and cycle their way through the Black Forest area. Alright, then what happened? In the text you are about to read, they have planned to walk to the village of Todmos, which they have been told is a short but beautiful trek. Read on to find out what happened. When we were having our college days, we were having NSS camps. Okay, and for these camps we have to travel to the forest area, hilly areas of Maharashtra, like Saputara's a few part of hills, then Pune's few hilly regions. We have to go there, we have to work for the people regarding the Save Water project, regarding the tree plantation. We have to spend 10 to 15 days there in a tent. Okay, so we people have enjoyed it a lot. We have worked hard in the field, we planted trees, We made them compounds and all these things. We have cooked by our hands, okay, with our friends. We have bonfire. We have just performed dramas, skits, musical performances in front of the villagers to aware them about the cleanliness, about their rights, rules, about the right to education. So NSS camps are very interesting. Why I am explaining this to you? These people's preparation is like this only. They wanted to search something new, right? And that's why they started walking through the Black Forest area. Walking in the forest is not as easy as walking on the road of Morbi or any city. What kind of things we have to take care while walking in the forest? What do you think, Nirva? What kind of things are important to be taken care while we are walking in the forest? First thing about the creatures. We walk on the ground. We have to be aware and we have to sit down, up, and besides and back also, because this is totally unknown for us. So what kind of things we need to take care while walking in the forest? Who is interested to answer? Today yes, any one of you.
May I answer?
What's your name? Name yourself first. Yes, Nishtha. Listen guys, before answering anything or speaking anything, just name yourself, right? Yes, Nishtha, you can speak.
We need to take care that any animal should not attack on us. We need to walk very properly, or we can stuck in any of the weed or a plant and we can fall down. We need to see, we need to be aware about the climate as it, and we have all the things like umbrella and umbrellas and if there is a cold climate, then we need to have something like a sweater, and if there is rain, we need an umbrella.
Very good. Very nice. So Nishtha is well prepared for NSS camps. So whenever you get elder or big, so you can join these camps. This is very important thing, and you people will have the opportunity to perform at the function, okay, in 26th January. There is having function about the National Cadet Corps. They will have parade at the Red Fort on our national festival. Okay, so it will be very interesting thing to be the part of NSS. Okay, you will have it.
Both were NCC.
Yes, very good, Soumya. So your mother is having the very beautiful memories. Wherever she gets free, you can ask her about the things. Okay, being the part of National Cadet Corps is one moment, one of the thing which makes you proud. Okay, they will have the same, a little bit difference is there, but as similar as army training. And it is really thing of pride to be the part, and these memories are very beautiful. Okay, you can just motivate yourself by remembering those days. Today I feel really happy that just because of you I got an opportunity to remember my past regarding NSS camps. Okay, one incident was there. I want to share why do I love dogs and cows, all these animals who can't speak like us. Okay, what happened, one day we were in the village, okay, and we used to live in the tent. Our teacher, Mr. Gaikwad, was having one pet dog. Okay, now he is no more. Okay, his name was Tommy. So we all are in I think BA, okay, first year or second year. So as a student we are little bit what we call naughty. So at night our teacher advised us to be careful about the creatures like snakes and some kind of reptiles, right? So even though he informed us, we were little bit lethargic or what we call overexcited. That night we forgot to close the what we call door of that kind of strip of our tent, and suddenly one snake was trying to enter in our tent, right? But Bruno was waking, Tommy was waking that time, and he started barking at the snake. And just because of this dog, we got an opportunity to save ourselves, because it was very long and big snake, right? So that day I realized, if you love the pet animals, even though it is tiger, cat, dog, cow, whatever, if you love them, if you take care of them, in return they will take care of you more than yourself, right? So from that day I have soft corner for dogs. Even if whenever I see dog which needs some help, I try to help the dogs or even cows, right? So see, these kind of experiences help us to become good human beings. Here these three friends are very good friends, okay? They are trying to get something new. They are trying to reach, they are trying to experience something new. And in the way of journey, on the way of journey, they will get some experiences. And this chapter is regarding only the experiences. Let's see what happened. We had breakfast at 4:30 in the morning and started off at 5. Our road lay over a mountain. From what we had heard in the village, it was one of those roads you cannot possibly miss. A few miles later, the road divided into three. An old signpost indicated that the road to the left led to a place that we had never heard of. Its other arm has disappeared. The road to the right, we all agreed, clearly led back again to the village. Now see, here this is the description, okay, this is the explanation at the time they started journey. When did they have their breakfast? Who will tell me? At what time?
Ma'am, Bhimani.
Ma'am, 4:30.
Very good. So, and they started off their journey at 5. Means, see, it is the thing why people choose the morning time for walking. In the morning, the temperature is very cool. Okay. So, for walking, you need more energy. Again, I am telling you, walking is the best exercise. If you want to burn your calories and fats, you need to start walking. So, walking is a good exercise, but only in morning or at the cool time of evening. You can't walk at the daytime, in the afternoon, because it will lead you to the dehydration. Walking in the sun when it is having at our head, so it is really difficult and terrible. So people choose morning time for walking. Even though when we would not having the buses, trains and modes of transport, people choose walking. When they want to reach another village, they start walking in the morning, and they took rest, and again they started walking in the evening. So these three guys choose to walk in the morning, since it is very early, right? Even Sweetwasani, Sarang, Mahayagara. Sarangagara, without any reason, don't be unmute, beta. If you are having any query, you can ask me. But why you people are getting unmute? It will create lot of what we call echo, voice echo, and my voice will cut. Okay. So they decided to start the journey in the morning, as it is the fresh atmosphere, right? In the morning, it will be the good experience. The sun is cool, right? And you will have the great energy in the morning. That's why our elders, our parents, grandparents ask us to wake up early in the morning and start our day, just to make us healthy and fit. Now let's see what happened then. They decided to walk, okay, over a mountain from what they had heard in the village. It was one of those roads you can possibly miss. Means this road was very beautiful, and they will enjoy the journey to the village. Now see, a few miles later, the road divided into how many? How many dividations of the road?
3, ma'am. 3.
3. Good. Okay. And the signpost. What do you mean by signpost? Who will tell me the meaning of signpost?
Ma'am, can I see Abhimani?
Ma'am, can I see Amgami? Yes, beta. Yes, Shamgami. Shamgami.
Ma'am, can I see Abhimani? Signpost is a pole at the side of a road that gives information about routes and distance.
Very good. Now see, when you travel, you can see the pole, that one. Even when we were small, we were having the stones, big stones, and the information was written over there. Morbi is 5 kilometer, Rajkot is 10 kilometer, okay, and way to the Rajkot, arrows, all these kind of things. Right? There is one. Yes, there is one another. Nowadays, there you find one another signpost about OFC. What do you mean by OFC at the roadside? OFC. Who will tell me the meaning of this OFC? This is extra information task and ideal question for the today. At the roadside, you will find the signpost of OFC. Yellow colored background and black or I think blue colored OFC is written there in capital. What do you mean by OFC at the roadside signpost? This is your ideal question of the day for extra information. You can take a day's time. I will ask you in tomorrow's class. Alright. Any query regarding this? OFC. May I move ahead? May I continue with the next?
Ma'am, we have to write meaning of OFC.
Don't write it. You have to tell me in the class. Tomorrow's class. OFC. Okay. Now see the next part. What happened then? They both the hands, okay, the signpost is having square, then 2 arrows, one for right and one for left. So one arrow, one side of the signpost was broken. So they decided to go to the right. Then what happened? The old man at the inn told them clearly to keep straight on round the hill. Harris reminded them. Okay, Harris was little bit curious about the things, and as he was having good memory, what he said, one person, okay, one old man have suggested them to go straight on round the hill. Then what happened? Which hill? George asked. We were surrounded by many, some of them big and some of them little. Okay. Now, this is little bit what we call cold fight between George and Harris. Okay, as Harris was reminding them something which is very important in the point of journey. But George was not agree with Harris, and that's why Harris got annoyed or little bit what we call angry. Now see, what are the 3 friends talking about hills? Who will tell me? What are the 3 friends talking about the hills? Who will answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
The three friends were Jerome, Harris, and George.
Jerome नहीं, Jerome. Yes. Bolo. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Yes. Who is interested to say? Pick up, beta.
Ma'am,
We are not having.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Why are the three friends talking about hills? Why they were talking about the hills?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Three friends were talking about the hill because the old man told that keep straight on around the hill.
Good. Good. Very good. Next question. Do you think Germany has as many people as India does? What do you think they could have done if they were in India? Yes? Why not? Germany does not see. What is the question? Do you think Germany has as many people as India does? What do you think they could have done if they were in India? Germany does not have as many people as people in India. If the three friends had been in India, they would have been surrounded by people and could have asked for direction as soon as they saw the broken signboard. Okay, in our country we are having great population. So whenever you want to go, even when I was new in Morbi, I used to ask people, even though I follow the Google Map, right? So here we can get easily help, okay, man's help, human help easily. But at some countries of our world, their population is less and they have tried to make it clear. But sometimes due to the unnecessary circumstances, what happens? Due to the signboards breaking up, they will little bit confused, right? But as they were not having anyone to ask for help, okay, anyone to ask for direction, they concluded at the one decision to going to the right. Now let's see what happened then. He told us, said Harris, ignoring George, that we would come to a wood. As a matter of fact, a thick wood covered every hill, which George pointed out very happily. Okay, and he said, muttered Harris, that we would reach the top in about an hour and a half. Here both the friends were arguing little bit for the surety, for the confirmation of the answer. So Harris was little bit angry, annoyed with George, as he informed them first about the old man's advice, but both of them were not agreeing, and George refused to follow the direction. So this made Harris very angry, and he muttered that we would reach the top in about an hour. Right. Now see what happened then and a half. What time did they take to reach the top? Who will answer the question? What time did they take?
Ma'am, they take time about 1 hour.
1 hour and a half means one hour and 30 minutes, right? Now we looked around us in silence. Why do you think they looked around us in silence? See, what is my habit? I will explain you. When I am having lot of work, what I do, I just stay cool, I just stand and look around the thing silently. then I get the idea how to start, when to start, and what would be the first start. Okay. Whenever we are confused or little bit, difficulty to choose the right path or right decision, what we need to do, we have to be cool, we have to cool down ourselves, we have to think for possibilities. Here these three friends stand at a point and were silent. It means that they were thinking about to choose the right path by looking around, by thinking of the map, thinking of the possibilities for the roads, right? Now what happened then? Now I happen to have a gift for finding my way in a strange places. It is not my fault that things, mountains, rivers and other such obstacles occasionally get in my way. Okay, what was the Harris thought? Harris was thinking that he was having an ability, a special talent of recognizing or finding the way by the rivers, mountains and all these kind of obstacles. Obstacles means obstacle means the thing or the person, anything that stands in front of you when you are progressing or going to the destination. Okay. Delay means it is the बीच में, okay, बाधा होती है ना, what we call in Gujarati. Obstacle means something which holds you tightly and not allowing you to go ahead. Obstacle मतलब बीच में जो होते हैं, देखो when we have the race,
ma'am,
having obstacles, okay. I can't find the Gujarati word for obstacle, but I hope that you people will get the idea of obstacle. Okay, बाधा होती है बीच में. Whenever you want to go ahead, you will have the difficulties. तो वो difficulties जो बीच में रास्ते में रुकावटें आती है, these rukawates are called obstacles. Now see what happened then. Harris was saying, occasionally we will get lot of obstacles like rivers, mountains and other things as problems to get the destination, but I will be happy that I am having courage or ability to find the way in strange places. Okay. Then he said, I led all of them by the middle road, but after 3 miles up and downhill, it ended suddenly in a vast nest. Vast nest matlab, here vast nest matlab a difficulty. Again they feel into the difficulty. Vast means a insect, a winged insect which has a sting. It is usually yellow with black stripes. Right. Now see then what happened. Well, said Harris, I suppose you are satisfied with what you have done. I am quite satisfied, I replied bitterly. I would continue to lead you further, but no one can work without encouragement. Go your own way. I am done with you both. Here, with little bit angriness, okay, because they have walked for 3 miles and then they got to know that again they were at the same point without any reason. Okay, that means they failed to achieve the destination. So they got little bit angry with each other and they were having little bit quarrel regarding the correctness of the decision. Then he said that you people go by your own way and I will follow my way. Means here they tried to divide their journey. They decided to go alone. But what will happen next? It was just discussion. It was not the confirmed decision. Then, well, in that case, said Harris, I would like to use science, which is exact. Now, where's the sun? Don't you think, said George, that if we went back to the village and hired a boy to guide us, it would save time? Here, George was having one suggestion to take a person or village boy. If we went to somewhere, means someone of you is living at Pipalia, 4 Rasta, right? And when we visit Pipalia, what would be the better option? We can take your help as you are familiar with the surroundings, right? If someone lives at Samakate and I have to come there for work, some work, so what I would do, I will call Seema ma'am or any of you, because you people are familiar with the area, so you can tell me where is something, the destination where I want to go, right? If you come to our side, what we'll do, I will inform you about the things, about the incident. So here, George was saying it would be better if we take help of any village boy. Then it will save time and we will reach our destination soon. But then what happened then? Yes, any doubt or query? Is it clear for everyone till now? Sarang,
No, ma'am.
Sarang, beta, why your speaker is on? Sarang, not good, beta. It is disturbing. My voice will get echo. Even though I am teaching you very honestly, just because of indiscipline, it will go all with the mess. कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा if you people will not follow the discipline. Even if you are having any doubt, I can allow you, na? Whenever you people are having doubt, I am asking you for your doubts and I try to solve all your queries. But it doesn't mean that you people will keep your mics on without any reason. If you are having any reason, I am here to sort out your queries. But without any query, you just keep your mic on, so it will disturb the class. Be attentive enough. Now, it would be washing time, said Harris. Sorry, wasting time, said Harris. You leave this to me. He took out his watch and began turning around and round. Here, Harris said, everything will be, if we decide to go back to the village, so it will also waste our time. So what he did, he just took out his watch and started moving it round and round. If you use compass, nowadays we are having compass in our phone also. There is one app, means lot of apps are there. So you can just move it and get the clear directions, about 4 directions and other sub directions also. So Harris started to look for the direction. Now, do you think Harris knows what he is doing? What do you think? Does Harris know what he is doing? No, he does not. But he thinks that he does. Harris was trying with overconfidence, but he was not doing the accurate thing. So you know how to find the north. What do you think?
Ma'am, can I see a
What?
Ma'am, you asked that how we can find north, so can I answer?
Yes, on your camera we want to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, waiting for your answer, beta.
Ma'am, can I, Nirva?
Yes, Nirva, you can. How can you find the north?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can find north by magnetic compass.
What?
Ma'am, we can find north by magnetic compass.
Very good, Nirva. Okay, now see. It's as simple as ABC. He continued. You point the shorthand at the sun, then you divide the part between the shorthand and the 12, and thus you get the north. He looked up and down for a while. Now I have got it, he said. That's the north, where that wasp nest is. Now give me the map. We handed it to him, and he looked at it carefully. Tormuz is towards the south from here, he said finally. What do you mean, from here? Asked George. from here, where we are right at this moment, said Harris. But where are we? Said George. Here, Harris was trying to find the way by using compass, map and all these things. And suddenly after dividing with the shorthand 12 and all these things, he got the north. And he said that the wasp's nest is at the north side and they have to go to the south, okay, to reach the Todomos village. And again his friends were confirming by asking his question, is it true? Is it correct? So he said, yes, and then we have to start our journey to the south to reach the village of Todomos. Then what happened? It doesn't matter where we are, said Harris. When his friend asked him for the confirmation, he tell us our exact point, speak about our exact situation, where we are. Then he said, it doesn't matter where we are. It matters, the thing matters only where we want to go. Then what happened? We shall be in Todomos before 10, don't you worry. He gave them time, at 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock, we will be at the village. So don't worry for the things. Then we walked for half an hour before coming to an opening. From here, we saw below us the village we had left that morning. It had a pretty church with an outside staircase, an unusual feature that we all remembered. The sight of it made me sad. We had been walking for 3.5 hours and were now almost back to where we had started. But Harris was delighted. See what happened then? As Harris showed them the way to the south, they started walking, and when they finished their walk, they saw the same village from where they started in the morning. घूम फिर के वो वही जगह पहुंच गए जहाँ से उन्होंने शुरू किया था. Then what happened? Some of them got sad and only Harris was delighted. Now at last, said Harris, we know where we are. I thought you said it didn't matter, said George. It does not, replied Harris, but it is just as well to be certain. Now it looks like we are going west. We are going east, said George. You are confusing me, said Harris. I don't mind if I do, said George. I would rather do that than go wrong. I tell you, we are going east. Here again both the friends are quarreling between, and they were thinking that I was right, second one was saying I was right. Okay, so in between the confusion, they were not sure about the east or west. Okay, they were not sure about the direction and they were having very strange experience. I can see the sun, answered George. It may be where it should be according to you and science, or it may not. All I know is that when we were down in the village, that hill was north of us. You are quite right, said Harris. I forgot for the moment that we had turned round. So we turned around again and walked in the other direction. And at the end of 40 minutes of climbing, we again came to an opening. Again the village lay just below us. This is very strange, said Harris. The village should be on the other side. Okay, here they, after solving their confusion, they again started to walk. And when they started walking after 45 minutes, again they were at the same point at the village from where they started. So they said that it is very strange. Harris said it is very strange how it would happen that again we reached at the same destination even though we walked opposite. Then what happened? I think, said George, looking cross, that we should just go down there and get some rest. But it can't be the same village, said Harris. Here they decided to go down. Okay, George was saying, let's get down in the village, let's have some rest, then we will discuss about the thing. as I told you, at the time of afternoon, we need to take rest because the sun is at its extreme hot level. And that's why people of the ancient times started journeys early in the morning. Okay, so here, though it is, I think it is after 10 o'clock. Okay, so it is really hot and the people are needing help. Okay, rest. So they decided to go to the next part of the village, okay, where they can see the church and all these things. Now, till here we have seen that both of the friends, okay, all the friends were quarreling. They were at the end, they were discussing and agreeing at the one point, but they failed to reach the village. Now, listen. Now today's homework, you have to solve scene passage 1 and 2 in your worksheet. Okay. Now give me your present roll number 1.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Type yes. 2. Type yes, ma'am, in the chat box. Roll number 2. 3.
मैम अगर हमको वर्कशीट में ना आए तो फिर हम
ना आए का बात ही नहीं. Who are you? वर्कशीट में क्यों नहीं आएगा आपको? सीन पैसेज सॉल्व करना इज नॉट बिग डील एंड आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू इन डिटेल. नाउ सी द अटेंडेंस. रोल नंबर 1, रोल नंबर 2, roll number 3, 4, 5, 6. Type yes, ma'am, in the chat box. 7, 8.
Present, ma'am, Shyam Bhimani.
What is your roll number?
Ma'am, 8.
9. 9.
Charola present, 9 roll number.
10.
New Dava present, ma'am, roll number 10.
11.
Shyam Gami present, ma'am, roll number 11.
12. 12. 13. 14. 14.
Present, ma'am, Yashika Jain, roll number 14.
15. 15. 16.
Ma'am, present, Yashika, roll number 14.
I am asking about roll number 16. 17. 17. 18. 19.
Ma'am,
20. 20. 21.
present,
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, 22. Yes, you can leave. Whosoever present is done. 22, 23, 24.
22 is present.
Ma'am, roll number 19 is present. Ma'am, roll number 21, yes, is present.
24,
Ma'am, roll number 19 is present.
24, 25, 26,
Ma'am, roll number 25 Sarodia present, ma'am. Ma'am, roll number 25 Swara Soni present, ma'am.
okay, 27.
Ma'am, roll number 19 is present.
How many times Harmish Mirani? If you say one time, then only I can understand. You are continuously, you have told me 6 to 7 times. 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, fine. Now you people can leave the class. Have a good day.
Ma'am, Kavya Vadera present, ma'am, roll number 28.
Yes, Kavya. I have put your present. Don't worry. Now see, what I am asking you.
is present.
Yes. Now see, do you have any query regarding homework? Today you have to solve scene passage 1 and 2 in your worksheet, page number 2. Alright, PA1 ki worksheet. Do you have any query or doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.